Alright, so what we have here is another test version. It's been cured 30 minutes. Got some really nice flex to it, as you can see. This is our latest. Let's see how she does. Oh, that was nice. Now, I know that you guys are expecting a little more, and we're gonna get there. But with this, I thought I would just try. See how we do. Got some resistance. This latest one is a little bit harder than our last one, so it's not going to be as likely to tear. I liked the last one, but the tearing I didn't really like. Oh yeah, look at that. That's really nice. Whee! And again, this is at a 30-minute post-cure. It does return to straight. There's my Stellas. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Got a whole bunch in here. Alright, let's just, Alright. Yeah, everyone's looking pretty good. I really like that detail too. Alright, you know what's next? We're going to the roof.